Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove limitations from your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Resolution Center. Then review the listed limitations and the specific steps required to resolve them. Next, provide any requested documentation such as a government-issued photo ID or proof of address. Now ensure all submitted documents are clear, legible, and match your account information. If prompted, update your security questions and password to enhance account security. Now wait for PayPal to review your submitted information, which typically takes up to 3 business days. Monitor your email and PayPal notifications for updates regarding your account status. If you receive an email about account limitations but see no issues in the Resolution Center, forward the email to phishing@paypal.com. Once PayPal verifies your information, the account limitations will be lifted, restoring full access. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.